Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Bumble profile verified from your PC. So first you're going to open your Bumble web from your preferred web browser, log into your profile. This is just a dummy account that I've just created just for this video. Then what you're going to do is click on your profile, which is just click on your username or your picture. Then under the edit profile, you're gonna see right here that my account is already verified. So if this is not true for you, so under this verification section right here, there will be an option prompting you to verify your account. So what that does, when you click it, that will send a email to your email address and follow some steps to get your account verified. So if this content helped you, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.